Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at this is kind of a newer product, I believe. It's the hybrid gel, so it's a cross between an acrylic and a gel. In today's video I am going to show you the three colors that I have. I have the pink, the white, and the clear, and the dual form. So that's these forms here. I did purchase this at the CNTC, of course. And I've had a little bit of time to play around with this. Now, I'm definitely not a pro at using the dual forms. Let's just say it's a good thing I like filing, but the whole point of using the dual form is to create an extension quickly, I believe. That's my take on it. For those of you that are pros at using this hybrid gel, wow, grab some popcorn and enjoy the comedy. So let's just get started. Okay, so this is what Vision Gel Systems Acrygel comes in. They come in tubes. We have one that's not open. We have a clear, which is number 11. We have number 9, which is a white. And then this is the pink that I've been using quite a bit of. And this is number 8, and that's the pink. And I also have a dampened dish of alcohol. So I have used it with alcohol and I have used it with monomer. My recommendation is if you are going to use alcohol with any kind of hybrid gel, I would recommend using a brush that is a little bit older and you don't really care that if it gets wrecked. So I've got an old Ugly Duckling brush. It's got Swan on here, so this one is super old and it's starting to get frayed. So I'm going to use this to apply the hybrid gel. And then I also have a number, what number is this? I think this is a number 8 acrylic brush from Exclusive Nail Couture, and I have to trim this. It needs a haircut. So if I find that the gel brush is not working, I will switch over to an acrylic brush. Then we have the dual form. They come in sizes of 0 to 11. Okay, my eyes are not that good, so I have no idea what numbers are on these. The first little demonstration I am going to do, I have a number 10 dual form right here. And I measured this up to make sure that it fit on the sides. From my understanding, what you want in a fit with these dual forms is the form to be a little bit bigger than the nail bed, because the product is underneath and you want to be able to have that structure. So you're going to have that product in between the nail and the form itself. So you need that strength in there. If I squish this all the way down, this form is a little bit big for the size of the finger. So if I measure the sidewall of the form to the sidewall of the nail, I've got a gap in here, which I think is perfect. And I'm going to take about this much. And it was quite easy to squeeze out. This is gonna be fun. I can already tell. I'm already all gucked up. So off to the side here, over here, I have a paper towel with my alcohol. And if you are an acrylic tech, I'm kind of doing the same thing with wiping my brush. So I've dipped my brush. Why don't I just show you? And I'm just kind of moving it around in the form. And you kind of want it thin around the cuticle area, which is kind of where I struggle. A couple times that I have used this, I have had it a little bit too thick. So a little bit of product goes a long way. And then I just take the side of my brush and I kind of thin it out and move it through the form. And I'm just going to place on here, press down a little, and I'm actually going to check underneath and thin it out, because that's where I found I had I just looked up at the camera. Thank God this is not a real hand. You would not do this with a client. Oh my gosh. Anyways, get your client to here. Tip their hand upside down, and you can kind of thin it out underneath so it's not, because when you press it down it kind of bunches up in here. Oh my gosh. Then I'm going to go around to make sure that I don't have any product on the sidewalls or cuticle area. Okay, now I'm going to cure this. And being an opaque hybrid gel, I am going to cure it for 1 minute in my LED lamp. Okay, so that's been cured for 1 minute, and now all you do is just twist the form off. And you can kind of see it breaking apart or loose. Yeah, it just kind of snaps right off. Like, it is, here I go again. So you have, look at that arch. That apex is perfect. Very little filing you have to do, except for over on this side. I'm gonna have to do some filing. And underneath, it's not too bad. If you can do this absolutely perfectly, very little filing around the edge, and you could put a top coat on and you're good to go, because there is no tacky layer on this. Okay, next little demonstration we're gonna do is a baby boomer. So I'm gonna take the white, and I just take it very little. Like, that's probably too much. And as you can see, it's quite soft, like it's workable. Then I'm dipping my brush into the alcohol, just moving it around. And as I'm bringing the white down to the middle of the nail bed, I'm trying to make it as thin as possible because you want that nice fade. This stuff is so easy to work with, and you can take your time. Like, you don't have to worry about it running as you would with a gel, or if you were using an acrylic, you're kind of working against time because the moment you put monomer on, from what I've experienced, it starts to set. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that it's not too thick. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I am going to cure it because when I put the pink on, I don't want the white to move around. Okay, so I'm going to take a bit of the pink, and again, not very much. Like, a little goes a long ways. And then I'm going to brush the pink up towards the free edge. Okay, so I could sit here and play all day to get that perfect fade, but not going to. So I'm going to cure this for a minute in my LED lamp, and then I'm going to cap it with a clear coat. Okay, so the clear Acrygel is number 11. I've never even used this. So that's probably too much. Let's just do this. And I think I'm going to use my acrylic brush. It's a little bit quicker. Nope, too big. So when you cap it with the clear, you can build your structure, build your apex, and kind of fill in anywhere that might be uneven. Oh, I have to say, you guys, this is really easy to work with. And you probably don't want to get too much of the alcohol on the client's skin. See? Do what I say, not what I do. Good enough. I'm gonna cure that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this has been cured. Yeah, it feels like acrylic right now. So we're gonna file all this stuff up after. Okay, what I wanna do now is I wanna see how clear this clear is. So we're gonna do the same thing as the pinky, but with clear. So it's kind of a cloudy clear, but it is definitely clearer than I thought it would be. So smooth too. Okay, and what are we gonna do for this one? Let's try a French. Okay, so I'm going to cure that and then I'm going to add my white. That was just way too easy. Okay, I'm gonna cure that and then we're gonna do some filing. So we're going to take number 147, which is one of my favorite Vision Gel colors. And now I'm going to take the No Wipe top coat from Vision Gel and make this hand look pretty. Okay, you guys, wow. Oh, wow, that was just so much fun to do. I have never done the baby boomer or the reversed French with this Acrygel, so that was my first time and I'm actually quite impressed. My shaping is something to be desired on the ring finger, but I guess that's what I get for twisting her finger like this. And I have to zoom in. That is super shiny. So if you were to do a set of nails with the dual forms, number 8, like doing a set, 10 fingers would be so quick. And I think that is a beautiful shade of pink. The reversed French, very subtle, I really like this pink. Now I know some of you guys might like more of a cover pink, a deeper pink, but I'm actually really liking this color. And again, that same pink for the baby boomer. Wow, I am super impressed. I really like this one. These two are my favorite. It was so easy to work with, so easy to maneuver the gel. I do know when the dual forms and this hybrid gel came out, I was very much intimidated by it, but it is super easy. I've actually used dual forms on my right hand with this pink, and it was super easy, super quick. And I know from actually wearing the pink, it is so durable. It is so strong, yet it's got a little bit of flexibility in there. I just cannot say enough awesome things about this product. So here's the three colors that Vision Gel has: the clear, the white, and the pink. And I believe that these are the only three colors that they have right now. I don't know if they're gonna come out with more shades of pink. If you're looking for a pink, I don't think you'll be disappointed with number 8. I really, really don't. And then I did use the Vision Gel No Wipe Top Coat on top, and I love that top coat. Look for it in a favorites video, and that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If I don't have the answer to your question, I will find out for you. I will leave the link to the Canadian and the US websites for Vision Gel. And oh, wow. Okay, I gotta calm down and breathe. I don't know why Vision Gel does this to me. Not Vision Gel themselves, but I just get so excited with this product. Everything that I have tried, I have absolutely loved. And for the record, in case you guys are wondering, I did purchase this myself. Vision Gel did not send it to me to review for them. This is all me just raving about a product that I have found that I have absolutely loved. That's it. I'm gonna end it right there. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. We wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear. We were so bright, shimmering lights around us. We take flight into the sky.